Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an egg bagel sandwich. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 1 bagel of your choice, and 2 slices of your favorite cheese. Also, make sure you have a small non-stick pan and a spatula ready. Selecting a delicious bagel like an everything or plain is key to a great start. Now, let's cook those perfect eggs. Whisk 2 large eggs with a small splash of milk or cream to make them extra fluffy. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and cook gently, stirring occasionally with your spatula. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are just set and wonderfully creamy. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble. First, toast your bagel to your liking, whether you prefer it lightly golden or deeply crispy. While it's still warm, place 2 slices of cheese on 1/2 of the bagel so it can begin to melt. Then, carefully transfer your perfectly cooked eggs onto the cheese. Feel free to add a slice of ham or some fresh chives if you wish. Almost done. Gently place the other half of the bagel on top to complete your sandwich. For easier eating, you might want to cut your delicious creation in half. Serve your homemade egg bagel sandwich immediately, perhaps alongside some fresh fruit or a cup of coffee. Now, take a moment to savor every bite of your perfectly crafted, warm, and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.